Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just an update here on Camber Energy, ticker CEI. I've talked about them a couple times on the channel here before. Don't have any in Robinhood right now. I have some in a different account and trade it from time to time. Some people like this one, some people don't, but it's been kind of all over the place. And here's a look at the last year. It's up over 18%, almost 19. 81 cents on up to 223. Came back down to the 40 cent range. Had a nice run up back here on September 30th to 382 and come crashing down. Currently at $1.08. In the last 3 months, it's down over 35%. In the last month, it's actually up 1.42%. So it would have been maybe not too bad of a time to get into it right there, but down again over the last week, 5.3%, and here it's actually up 2.88% today. So, like I said, I've talked about this one a couple times here on the channel, and look at it from time to time, and used to trade it, and just been too many other things going on, and too many other stocks, and so it's time to look at this one again. But this is Camber Energy, ticker CEI. If you don't know much about this one, it's an oil and natural gas company, engages in the acquisition, development, and sale of crude oil and natural gas from various known production geological formations. Been around since 2003. Volume of 16.79. Average is about double that, to 30.82 million. With a $262 million market cap, 52-week low of 33 cents and a high of $4.85. So quite a swing there from 33 cents to 4.85. So, and here's the look at the next earnings on December 28th. Here's a buy order, $1.97. So I'm almost glad that one didn't fill. So. I have some information about this one, and like I said, earnings coming up on the 17th here. I think Robinhood showed something different. This is saying on the 28th, so I'm not sure which one is correct. But moving on, Camber Energy, stock loss minus 5.45%, but it may still be worth investing in, and this is dated on the 14th. Trading price of Camber closed lower on Monday, December 13th, closing at $1.04, minus 5.45% lower than its previous close. Traders who pay close attention to intraday price movement should know that the fluctuated between $1.03 and $1.10, and examining the 52-week price action, we see the stock hit a 52-week high of $4.85 and a low of 33 cents. Over the past month, the stock has lost minus 8.77% in value. Camber Energy, whose market valuation is $60.79 million, so very small, at the time of this writing, is expected to release its quarterly earnings on August 14, 2020. Investors' optimism about the company's current quarter earnings report is understandable. And this is just dated on December 14th. And must be a misprint or something. Company's earnings reviews provide a brief indication of a stock's direction in the short term, where in the case of Camber Energy Incorporated, no upward or no downward comments were posted in the last 7 days. On the technical side, indicators suggest CEI has a hold on average for the short term. According to the data on the stock's medium-term indicators, stock currently averaging as a 50% buy. On the average, long-term indicators suggest that the stock is a 50% buy. Like I said, I haven't watched this one in a while. It's kind of fun to trade since it's just $1. I mean, you can throw $100 at it and get quite a few shares to trade, but just something I like to do every once in a while. Here's a quick review of the price currently, what's going on with it. The range indicator is currently displaying 13 cents, while analysts defining as the low and high price targets. We arrive at a consensus price target for the trailing 12-month period. The current period is about off of the estimated low and off of the forecasted high. To see how Camber Energy stock is performing in comparison to its peers in the industry, here are the numbers. CEI's stock performance was down 5.45% in the latest trading and 12.63% in the past year. Also, the trading session S&P 500 index has plunged minus 0.91%, while the Dow Jones Industrial also saw a negative session down minus 0.89% for the day. Camber Energy stock forecast 2021, profitable with bullish signals, and this is dated on the 14th. In today's recent session, 8.23 million shares of the Camber Energy were traded. Most recently, the company's stock price was $1.08 and changed around 4 cents or 3.85% from the last close, which brings the market valuation of the company to $60.79 million. So, a very small company. It's just one that I watch from time to time, and upon looking at major shareholders, it appears that the insiders hold about 0.99% of Camber Energy Incorporated shares, and 1.32% of them are in the hands of institutional investors. The stock currently has a share float of 1.33%. Camber Energy Incorporated stock is held by 27 institutions, with Vanguard Group Incorporated being the largest institutional investor by June 29, 2021. It held 1.43% of the shares, which is about 1.49 million shares worth at $0.98 million. So always good to see institutions holding shares of whatever company it is. Just gives a little bit more credibility. Are there any bulls left in CEI? It's been quite a few days. I'm still here and added some common break the ice. Let's hear some thoughts. Not many other thoughts in there. And here on StockTwits, currently at $1.08, with a 52-week low of 33 cents, high of 4.85. So that would be some nice action to get in on. Even if you bought it for $1 and sold it, that would be an excellent return. Buyout is coming and NASDAQ recover. Hold on, guys. We have something bigger than we want. Do not sell at $3 to $5. Let them finish their job. Wait until December 30th. Wait, and huge news on the 30th. Well, there you go. Can do whatever you want, but don't sell a penny. This stock has something new for the world in future. So it looks like there's something coming up on December 30th. And over here on Tip Ranks, they do not have anything for this one, probably because it's $1 or maybe because it's under $5. I've ran into that before. But if you have Camber Energy, go ahead and list that in the comments along with your cost basis, how many shares you have, and any other information on this one that you have. And if you have any information in regards to December 30th that we just saw, you can leave that in the comments as well. And again, I thank you for watching, and if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is J Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.